Take him. Me.
Is that the accent? So I'm begging you, if the laptop is your possession, please just let me call and record it back. Because that person will get that.
You say I get you, but you're playing the record. Don't do it.